Hi, I'm Stu Brown, a health and wellness advocate who's been studying this subject for over the past 25 years. Many Americans have become complacent regarding health, and instead of taking personal responsibility for how we feel, we place it in the hands of conventional doctors and prescribed medicine. My belief has always been that just because one grows older doesn't mean one has to become sicker. Our body parts do age and fail prematurely from abuse, but by divine design, they also have had the ability to repair themselves. The problem is they're lacking the raw materials that they need to support and promote a normal condition. Don't try to get comfortable with a lesser quality of life by relying upon pharmaceutical drugs alone and their side effects. Genesis chapter 1 verse 29 reads, "And God said, See, I have given you every herb that yields seed, which is on the face of all the earth, and every tree whose fruit yields seed, to you it shall be for food." Every time you eat, you're either feeding disease or fighting it. We should all be more careful with what we put into our bodies. If you are willing, in conjunction with your doctor's supervision, to embark upon a different path of self-help to a possible cure, instead of just treating your present health condition, you're in the right place. I've discovered a handful of naturopathic doctors who coincide with my beliefs. To top it all off, they've been successful in curing and reversing many degenerative diseases by abstinence, diet, and nutrition. I use this advice to personally reverse common degenerative diseases that had the potential to lessen my quality of life, and I am passionate about sharing these truths with anyone who will listen. The building blocks for health and well-being is based upon 90 essential nutrients, 60 minerals, 16 vitamins, 12 amino acids, and 2 essential fatty acids. These nutrients are now available to you in one package in the least expensive way. If you were to purchase each nutrient separately, you would spend upwards of $2,000 to $3,000 a month. By becoming a preferred customer or even a distributor, you'll save even more. I intend to release many short videos because there's so much to discuss and much to retain. I feel it will be better to keep things short, and I encourage you to message me with any questions about your health-related concerns if you are ready to embark upon discovering a cure to your present health challenges, or you simply want to take steps to maintain excellent health. Keep watching us and our YouTube channel for more information. Our objective is to inform you and keep you aware of information and misinformation being discussed on the internet and in the workplace. Let's turn this thing around. Remember, God heals and the physician collects the fee.